Hi, today we're going to talk about circles, no? And we'll have some review first. No? So, for our review, we're going to talk about midpoint formula. No? If you have a line segment with the coordinates in the x-axis as the second point to be 6 and the first point to be 4, to get the midpoint of this line segment, all we have to do is add the 2 points here, which is x of 1 and x of 2, and divide it by 2. Example, if we have here 6 and 4, you get to add 4 and 6, which is 10, divided by 2, we'll get 5. So the midpoint is 5, no? And we'll also review the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the hypotenuse, which is c, no? C squared here, if we square that one, that will be equal to the squared of both the legs, no? The square of the opposite legs here, which is a squared plus b squared. And to get it, and then we get the square root of c of both sides of the equation to get the value of c. So we add this square of these two legs here, two sides here, and then you get the square of that, and you get the value of c. Now, these two important formula here, we'll apply those formulas in dealing with circles. If we are given a circle with c as the center, and we have a diameter 0.1 to 0.2 with the coordinates of p1, no? p1, 0.1 with 3 and 4 as the coordinates, and p2 as -3 and -4. And we are asked to find the coordinates of the center, the coordinates of the center here, and radius of the circle with diameter p1, p2. We're going to get the distance from this point here, from this center, to any point on the circle. So to get the coordinates of c, no, with the coordinates x and y of c, all we have to do is add the value of x of 1, 3, and -3, and divide it all by 2. And also y, 4, and -4, we get the coordinates of 4. We add those coordinates, we get the coordinates of c to be 0 and 0. 3 of -3 and 4 minus 4 is 0. And to get the distance from this c here to any point on the circle, that will be our r, the radius. No? So it is stated that the diameter is p1, p2. We choose any of those points. So if we choose to be our x2 to be this 0.1, and this one is, let's say r1, r2, no? So this one is our r, no? So if this is 0, as we've said, no? The coordinates of the center is 0, so 3 minus 0, and we square that, and also 4 here minus 0, we square that also, and we'd add, no? So 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. We add those two coordinates, we get the square root of 25, and we get 5, no? So this is only our introduction to the study of circles for our geometry subject. No? So this time, no, thank you again for watching, and don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Will Planet Tan, and also click, if ever, the notification bell. So thank you again for watching and see you again later.